Tata LPT 407 Ex2 provides a best-in-class 7,300 kilograms of gross vehicle weight and comes equipped with 4S PCR with electronic delhpi pump. Tata LPT Ex2 is powered by 2,959 cc, turbo intercooled, common rail diesel engine, delivers out a maximum power of 85 bhp at 2,800 revolutions per minute and peak torque of 250 Nm at 1,400 to 2,400 revolutions per minute. The 5-speed synchromesh gearbox provides smooth shifts between gears. Clutch is 280 mm diameter. Curb weight of the truck is 3,055 kilograms. Payload capacity of the truck is Gradability of the truck is 25%. The top speed of this Tata 407 truck is 94 km/h. This Tata 407 Ex2 truck comes with a fuel tank capacity of 60 liters. The loading span of 13.6 foot comes in fixed side deck and high side deck options. The semi-elliptic leaf spring suspension comes coupled with telescopic shock absorbers at the front axle and the same setup with auxiliary springs at the rear axle. Tata LPT 407 Ex2 truck has got a power steering and 4-way adjustable driver's seat, making long transits comfortable. Air brakes ensures short for braking distance, and the analog instrument cluster with LED display provides good readability. Tata offers a warranty of 3,000,000 kilometers or 3 years warranty on the driveline. Service interval of the truck is 20,000 kilometers. Wheelbase of the vehicle is 3,800 mm. Overall length of the vehicle is 6,075 mm. Overall width of the vehicle is 2,140 mm and overall height of the vehicle is 3,000 mm. Ground clearance of the vehicle is 230 mm. Turning radius of the vehicle is 13.5 meters. Ex-showroom price of the vehicle is 8,51,000 Indian rupee.